buddy!
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, Orange County in southeast New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 33 miles northwest of Walden to 46 miles southwest of Port Jervis, and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Otisville, Unionville, Middletown, Goshen, Montgomery, Florida, Warwick, Chester, West Milford, Greenwood Lake, Gardnertown, Monroe, Newburgh, Harriman, New Windsor, Bloomingdale, and Ringwood. This storm has a history of producing wind damage across central New York and northeastern Pennsylvania.
Listen.
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Passaic County, New Jersey, and Orange County, New York.